Hi students, our today's family is family Rubiaceae. Family Rubiaceae is represented by 609 genera and it is represented by 13,673 species throughout the world. In India, it has 74 genera and 450 species. These are the plants belonging to family Rubiaceae. This is Ixora coccinea. And this another plant is there that is Pavetta crassicolis. These are two common members of family Rubiaceae. The distinguishing characteristic features of family Rubiaceae are as follows. The leaves of the family Rubiaceae are opposite or furled, and the very specific key characteristic of this family is presence of intra or interpetiolar stipule. Inflorescence is either solitary or it is decussate panicles or it is cymose or even it is aggregate into heads or globose heads. These characteristics we will see in the next slide. Calyx is gamosepalous. It is petaloid. For example, in Musenda, petals are 4 to 5. United means fused, funnel shaped or tubular as in Ixora. Stamens are epipetalous, as many as corolla lobes. Ovary is bicarpellary, syncarpous, inferior with axile placentation. Then very important characteristic that is presence of epigynous disc and fruit is either capsule or drupe or a berry. Habit of the representatives of Rubiaceae are like some of the members are trees, some are shrubs, or even few herbs are there, and they are rarely climbers. Here you can see the opposite leaves, and this is very prominent characteristic that is presence of interpetiolar stipule. Stem is aerial, erect, branched, cylindrical, woody, and solid. Leaves are opposite that can be easily seen here. They are decussate means every alternating line or pair of leaves is right angled to each other. They are rarely fold, but leaves are simple with inter or intrapetiolar stipule. That characteristic can be seen here. Then they are petiolate or subsessile. Inflorescence is either solitary or usually in decussate panicles or cymes or something aggregate into heads. Here in this picture, you can see the inflorescence is aggregate into heads. Even in this picture, you can see that it is aggregated into heads and it is even multiparous cyme. In this picture, you can see the multiparous cymose type of inflorescence. Flowers are bracteate, bracteolate, pedicellate, complete, actinomorphic, bisexual, tetramerous, or pentamerous, and they are always epigynous. Let us understand the floral characteristics. To begin with, the calyx. Member of calyx is called as a sepal, which are 4 to 5 in number. Gamosepalous condition. Calyx tube is adnate to the ovary. Calyx is persistent and estivation is valvate type. Sometimes one sepal is enlarged and it is petaloid, for example, Musanda. Here, that structure you can see a huge petaloid sepal is seen. Then the corolla, the member of corolla are petals and they are 4 to 5. If sepals are 4, petals would be 4. If sepals are 5, petals would be 5. They are fused, that is gamopetalous condition. They are either funnel shaped or shallower shaped or tubular as you can see in Ixor, and estivation is of three types: imbricate or valvate or twisted. Let us understand that what valvate estivation is there. If you look here, the margins here, here, and here, there is no overlapping here in the margins. So this condition is called as a valvate condition. And the twisted condition where one side is out and other side is in. One side is out, other side is in. One side is out, other side is in. One side is out, other side is in. So here you can see outer side, inner side, outer side, inner side. Everywhere you can see. So this condition is called as a twisted condition. And imbricate condition is there where one is completely out, another is completely in, and the rest one is out and in, one is out and in, one is out and in. So this condition is one is out, one is completely in, and rest of all are alternating. This condition is called as imbricate condition. Then the next characteristic is androecium. The member is stamen, which are 4 to 5 in number, but they are either 4, 4, 4, that is calyx, corolla, and androecium, or 5, 5, 5, calyx, corolla, and androecium, respectively. The condition is epipetalous. Stamens are as many as the corolla lobes. They are alternate. Then intrors means the line of dehiscence. This is facing towards the inner side. The anther opening lengthwise and filaments are short and the condition is dorsifixed. Then the gynoecium. So the member of gynoecium is carpel or ovary, which is bicarpellary, syncarpous, inferior. Ovary is with axial placentation. Locules means number of chambers are 2 or 1 to many ovules per locule. Style is long, filiform, and stigma is bifid. Then the next, that is floral formula, which is representing here that presence of bract. Then actinomorphic, bisexual, sepals 4 to 5 united because the bracket is there. Petals also 4 to 5 united, that is bract is there. Stamens also 4 to 5, but here we have represented only 4. And this epipetalous condition, gynoecium 2 to 5, and this line above the G, that is representing inferior ovary. This is bract. This is calyx. This is corolla with twisted estivation. This is a stamen, and these are carpels. And do not forget to show the mother axis. So this is about the floral diagram. Next part is systematic position according to Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Class is dicotyledony because of reticulate venation. Subclass gamopetally because petals are fused. Series is inferi because ovary is inferior and stamens as many as coronal lobes. Order is rubiales because leaves are opposite and stamens are epipetalous. And the family is Rubiaceae. So the general characteristics of Rubiaceae we have already discussed. The last part of this family is of economic importance. The first economic importance, that is, the bark of Cinchona officinalis yields alkaloid called as a quinine, which is the best remedy for malarial fever. Then the roots of Rubia cordifolia are used as medicines. The seeds of Coffea arabica, Coffea liberica, and Coffea robusta are roasted and ground to give a coffee powder. Then the plants like Rubia, Hamelia, Gardenia, Ixora, Musanda are cultivated in gardens for their beautiful flowers. Then Gardenia lucida in Marathi called as a Tikamali. It bears white fragrant flowers and is therefore commonly cultivated as ornamental plant. The gum resin which is obtained from it, that is called as a Dicamoli, which has medicinal importance. Then the next plant, that is Rubia cordifolia, Marathi name is Manjishta, which commonly occur in the ghats of Konkan, Amboli, Mahabaleshwar, etc. The roots are used in manufacturing of different dyes. So these are some of the economic importances of family Rubiaceae. Thank you.